Students, today we are going to see for class 2 max chapter 2 counting in groups, that is the part 2 we are going to see. Before we have seen the part 1, now I am going to teach the part 2 in this chapter. So naughty Buru. So Buru has torn some pages of his book. So you can see Buru has torn some pages of his books. Yes. Next, write the page numbers in the correct order. So we should write the page numbers in correct order. Here they have given only 48. Page number 48 is there. Others, so we can write 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52 and 53. So you can see, right? Next again, see the answers: 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52 and 53. Next, puzzling tale. Chipku rat has a long tail. When he was sleeping, naughty cat thought of trying to tie his tail to the poles. She started from the pole with the biggest number. She moved on the smallest numbers in order. Help her in trying. But the tail should not cross itself anyway. So when the rat was sleeping, the cat, that is a naughty cat, was trying to tie the rat's tail to the pole. So she has started from the greatest number. Which is the greatest number here? So which is the greatest number here? 37 is the greatest number, right? 37 is the greatest number here. So up to which it is there? Only up to 27. So it should not cross over. So they have given here up to 37 and it should not cross over. Okay. So like this we have to do. So from the biggest number to smallest number means 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31. Next 30, 29, 28 and 27. Like this it should come. So you have to do this activity. Next, we can see the biggest carrot. An old man planted a carrot seed. Yes, you can see old man is planting a carrot seed. So the carrot grew very big and sweet. It grows very, very big. He tried to pull out the carrot, but it did not come. He quickly called his wife. So old man has planted a carrot. It has grown very big. So he was not able to pull it out. So he is calling the grandmother. So the old man pulled the carrot leaves and the old woman pulled him. They could not pull it out. So even they both were pulling, they could not pull it out. So the old woman called her granddaughter. The old woman and the granddaughter tried but could not pull the carrot. The old woman, what she did? She called her granddaughter. So all these three were pulling the carrot but they was not able to pull it. Next, the granddaughter called the dog. The old man, his wife, the granddaughter and the dog could not pull the carrot out. The old man, the old woman, the granddaughter and the dog, they was not able to pull the carrot. Again, then the dog called the cat. Everyone pulled and the cat held on the dog's tail. The carrot did not move. So even though the carrot, so the dog, what it did do? So the dog called the cat. So again they were trying to put but they could not able to put. Next, the cat, what it did? The cat called the mouse. So they all pulled hard together and the carrot came out. Zamboom! They all fell down. See? First the grandfather came, then grandmother came, then granddaughter, then dog, cat and rat. So all they came, then they pulled, everyone fell out. They were so excited. So they all went to the kitchen to make alwa and ate it up. So they made a carrot alwa and they ate it up. So how many are pulling the carrot out? So we can see how many are pulling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are pulling the carrot out. Who was the first one to pull it out? Grandfather. That is the old man. The cat is in the dashed line. Where is the cat? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The cat is in the fifth line, right? Next, who was the fourth one to pull the carrot? 1, 2, 3, 4. Dog. How many were pulling the carrot before the cat came to help them? Before the cat came to help them, how many of there? So close the cat and rat. You can close the cat and rat. How many were there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. Make a cap on the third one in the line. Who's in the third one? 1, 2, 3. So for her you have to draw a cap. Make a moustache for the sixth one in the line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have to draw a moustache for the sixth one in the line. Who's that? Rat. So these are the answers. Okay, students. Next, Seema Century. Seema has made a design with different bindis. Yes, we can see the bindis. Look at the groups and guess the total number of bindis. Draw more groups to complete 100 bindis. How many more bindis did you have to draw? So look at the groups and guess the total number of bindis. They were 8 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In 8 groups, there were totally 10 bindis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, 8 groups and 10 bindis. 1 group, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, 8 into 10. So, 80. Look at the groups and guess the total number of bindis here is 80 bindis. Draw more groups to complete 100. How many more did you have to draw? So we need balance is 20 bindis. So 100 minus 80 is 20. So balance we need 20 bindis. So these are the chapter in this. So we have completed the second chapter, dears. I hope so you all understand. So please complete the activities whatever I have given.